What is up, guys, and welcome back to Whitley Auto Works. Man, that CRV looks better and better every time I see it. If you haven't already, go check out that $200 color shift paint job video I did on the CRV a while back. Thing is still looking good. It's been about 4 or 5 months now. But anyways, I am back. I know I sound like crap, but I'm trying, guys. I'm slowly getting back into the painting stuff. But man, I've had an absolute ordeal trying to get rid of this sinus infection. I've been going on for about a month. I've tried all kinds of stuff, but I know that's not what you're here for. Today, I'm going to show you guys how to paint a CertaFit bumper with base clear. Now, I know we've been doing a lot of Rust-Oleum paint jobs on the channel, and I love doing a Rust-Oleum paint job, don't get me wrong. But automotive paint, that's industry standard, and I know a lot of you guys are curious about spraying that too. So without further ado, I got the CertaFit bumper right here. It's for a 2018 Kia, and my cousin wrecked his car, so he needs a bumper painted. So we're going to do a base clear job today using Nason XL, and well, let's jump right into it, and I'll show you what we're doing. All right, guys, so for those of you who are not familiar with the CertaFit bumpers, this is a Tony Yang brand CertaFit bumper, which is pretty much just an aftermarket reproduction of the factory bumper. You can usually get it from APO, Frontier, a lot of CertaFit type places sell them for a fraction of the cost, and I had my little cousin pick this up the other day. So they do come factory primed. If you don't know it, they come factory black primed. So pretty much the whole routine with this is scuff it up really good with 400 to 600 grit, or you can use Scotch-Brite pads, clean it really good. And I usually shoot some Bulldog adhesion promoter, especially in the corners, and this has the parking sensors, so in those areas I like to shoot some Bulldog just to get a little bit more protection long term, so I don't have to worry about paint chippage. But other than that, that's about it, guys. Let's go ahead and jump into it, and start mixing up some base clear. All right, guys, so as I said, I've already cleaned this really good and washed it really good with some Dawn Dish soap just to kind of clean it, and scuffed it really good with 600 grit wet sand over the whole thing. And as usual, if you know me, you know the channel, I use Prep All to clean everything really good before I spray it, and also before I put down the adhesion promoter. You can use alcohol if you want. There's many other degreasers, but Prep All is just what I prefer. It never gives me any reactions, and it's something I pick up at work. But anyways, I'm gonna wipe it down with this real quick, and then I'll show you the base coat and everything we're using for today. Alright, guys, so the color we're going to be using today is actually Nason XL. It's the higher end paint. It's DB9 Celestial Blue, and there are a lot of additives in it. So it's going to be a really pretty color. And anyways, pretty much you just mix this with the reducer, 4-to-1, and you're ready to spray. And then we'll jump over to clear coat. So let's get some base mixed up and let's lay it down. Probably do 2, maybe 3 coats. Alright guys, so I shut my fans off for a minute so I can talk to you. This is 3 coats of base of that celestial blue, and it's in Nason XL. And as you can see, man, it lays down really, really good. Almost looks like it don't need clear, but it will flatten off. You typically wait about 5 to 10 minutes between coats. This stuff flashes off pretty quick, and it's really good quality paint. It's a lot thicker than the actual Nason paint because it's just better quality all around. More comparative to like DuPont, Exalta, Chroma Base, that type stuff. But anyways, so I'm gonna wait about, I don't know, about 20 minutes, and we're gonna put some clear coat on her. And that's how you paint base clear on a bumper, guys. Now, I think the bumper turned out great. I really like this color. It's kind of like a midnight blue. It's a deep, dark color. But it wasn't too bad. I ended up putting 3 coats of base on it and 2 coats of clear. I was cutting it really thin with the clear coat, but as you can see, it turned out great. I know he'll be more than happy with it. And I was trying to choose a small project this weekend to slowly get back into it. Like I said, I am nowhere near 100%. My voice is still and I still feel kind of as well. But I told him I'd get this done for him real quick. And like I said, it's far and away different than painting a whole car, obviously. But anyways, guys, I hope you liked today's video. I hope you learned something. I used Nason XL base coat. It was 4-to-1 on the mix. So 4 parts paint, 1 part reducer. And also, I used Nason Clear, just your standard Nason Clear. And that's 4-to-1 as well. 4 parts clear and 1 part hardener. And I used medium temp hardener. It's about 65 degrees out today. I used a 1.4 tip for both the clear and the base. I sprayed at about 28 PSI, in case you're wondering. And I missed actually spraying the Bulldog adhesion promoter. I didn't get video of that. Like I said, I'm getting back on it, guys. I'm getting back into it. But anyways, total cost for this, I spent about $160 in materials. But like I said, this was the higher end paint. So that's about what you can expect. And I think he spent like $200 on the CertaFit bumper. So, you know, all in all, that's what this project cost. But if you guys liked today's video and you learned something, or if you have any questions, comments, concerns, Drop me a like, drop me a comment, hit that subscribe. I always love to hear what you guys have to say, and I always try to answer every single comment in every video. So I appreciate you guys for watching. I will see you very soon. We got more cars coming to paint, and as soon as I get completely well, we're going to be doing a whole lot more. So like, share, comment, subscribe. I'm John from Whitley Auto Works. God bless you guys. You have a great weekend, and I'll see you on the next one.